So that was my motor factory, the last little video. And I used to have all this filled in over there, as well as over here, and over here a whole bunch of stuff, but I've torn it all out and I'm kind of starting over. And my next project is over here. I'm in the middle of it right now, and I'm trying to make what is it? I think it's advanced. What's the recipe? Advanced modular frames, I think, or heavy modular frames. You can unlock alternate recipes by finding hard drives in crashed ships and deciphering them. The standard recipe is that, but I'm gonna make it out of this instead. You get faster production rate, and it tends to use, well, some different ingredients. More, I guess, in general, but concrete's really easy to get. You know, I don't want to make screws. Makes it a little easier. Plus, yeah, it's a lot faster. So, I'm gonna make heavy modular frames. To do that, I need a lot of steel pipes, and that's the majority of it. So, I haven't got my coal yet. I have to go find another coal node and bring it over, because I don't think I'm producing enough coal out of my one coal mine. So coal's going to come into here. This one's a little neater than the other one. I've kind of got it spread out a little more in sections, and I've figured out some better ways of routing conveyor belts. So coal's going to go up top on the top conveyor belt and split off. You can see split off into each of these foundries. They're all going to make steel ingots when they're ready. So I'll have iron on the bottom, iron ingots coming in the bottom, coal coming in the top, and so yeah, get over there again. There we go. And those will go into all 4 of those foundries to make 180 steel ingots per minute. Over here, feeding that, I've got, ooh, a little lag there. Got 3 foundries and 2 smelters. Oh, I didn't run those conveyor belts yet. There we go. So I'm gonna have iron come in here, and this is all gonna make iron ingots. Mostly for those foundries, but also I need it a little bit later for making iron plates and iron wire. So, yeah, this is all gonna feed these guys, and then they're all coming out and joined up together with those mergers. And then they come across here, and they go into the bottom of that, and then they feed all these foundries, which use the iron ingots to make steel ingots. And then that comes out of here, and it's going to feed, I have 8 constructors here. It's going to feed all 8 of those. The conveyor belt's going to go through there, split off onto and through each of these, up the conveyor, the elevator, and then into those ones over there. There's 4 there. They're going to come, and then all the output's going to come down there, through here, and this will be the output right here when I get to that point. I also have a little bit of extra iron ingots that are going to come out on this side, because I'll have to use that later. So yeah, that's that. I was going to show you a little bit of building here quickly. I haven't quite got to yet. I like to build these walkways. You can put these into your hotkeys, so it makes it a little easier to work with. There's a little bit of glitch here. It needs to be fixed. You should be able to make one that comes up right here, but I find you have to make one there first, and then you can make that one. Oh, there we go. That's better. Straight walkway. Oh, I need to go higher here. As you can see, it's pretty cheap to actually make stuff. This costs 1 steel plate and 2 pipes. That's what makes the game so fun. Some of the stuff, it would be nice quality of life. It would just automatically snap the same way you did the last one. It kinda does, but it's not perfect. Anyways, this is my heavy modular frame factory, or the start of it. I'll give you an update once it's going. Annoyingly, you have to go 3 floors up here, because otherwise those little light antennas stick through. It bothers me. Like if I did this. Let's see. Well, I guess they don't stick through on this one, because I don't have a full floor. That's kind of tempting. Might bring that all down a little bit, just so it's not so tall. Okay. Anyways, end of that tour. I'll give you an update once it's done. Oh, yes, and this is my space elevator. You send up supplies, and then you can kind of move to the next tier for upgrades and stuff, but it takes quite a bit to upgrade. Like now, this one, next tier, to get to tier 7 and 8, which is the last ones of what they have in the game so far. I need 1,000 heavy modular frames and 1,000 computers. I haven't even got into computers. I don't really know what I even need for that. And then 1,000 motors. So I've got my motor factory. I'm working on this one, and then I'll have to figure out computers after that. And then you send it up, and it unlocks those tiers in your main building. This is the hub. And you can research stuff. So in tier 4, I still have something I can unlock here. Explorer. Some stuff here. And to unlock all of those, I need to put these things in here, which I could do right now probably. I just don't really need any of these things right now. Tier 5, they got oil processing, deuterium electronics, a bunch of stuff. So I haven't got to this point yet, but faster conveyor belts, 480 resources per minute. Mine limit out at 270, I think. Conveyor lifts, fuel generator, so that would be better than the coal generator, but again, I need to make fuel for that, which is a whole nother thing in oil processing, fuel. So I haven't got to this point yet. I'm sure it would be more efficient though. Jetpack, monorail, make a train, all that stuff. Gas mask for exploring. Cool game.